Is your multifunction printer not working as well as it used to? Are you working with outdated technology? Are maintenance costs and repairs escalating to the point where it doesn't make sense anymore? Maybe it's time to look at upgrading your multifunction printer. This is what we're going to cover in this video. How do you know it's time to upgrade? Identify your new device needs. Learn about the new technological advancements. Determining your budget. One of the main reasons you may want to look at upgrading your multifunction printer is you're working with outdated technology. The manufacturer has stopped making parts for the device. Sometimes your device is having trouble getting on the network. Another reason you may want to upgrade your device is that your team has expanded. You have more people, the output doesn't keep up with the device you have, and you need a faster machine. Your organization may experience unforeseen demands. Perhaps you need the requirements to print on some bigger paper, 11 by 17 for instance. Perhaps you need to create booklets or pamphlets. Maybe you need color requirements going forward. These are all things you may want to look at when getting a new device. In this segment, we're going to look at identifying your needs and requirements going forward. PPM basically means pages per minute, and it's a speeds and feeds acronym for what size device you may need. Certain organizations need speed. Law firms, for instance, may want more speed based on the fact that they need to get output done quicker. Or you may have large size documents that you want to print faster and not tie up the device. As an organization, you may want to do an internal print audit. How much paper are you printing on a monthly basis? You may want to look at the meter readings on the device at a basic level. At least you can get that as an organization. How many prints, how many copies are you printing? How many in color, how many in black and white? So these are things you may want to look at the basic level. Your organization may want to look at getting a third party to come in and doing a print audit as well. That's much more advanced, where they can see the types of documents that are printed, how many are being printed, and who's doing the most printing. So with new technology, you're going to get some great features such as scan to cloud services. You're going to get print from mobile devices. You're also going to have the ability to create searchable PDF documents. Now, you can have single pass duplex scanning, allowing you to scan your documents quicker and start creating digitized workflows. Yeah, so when looking at a new multifunction printer and trying to figure out a budget going forward, things to look for are: do you need color printing? Do you need fax option, which some people still do these days? Do you need letter, legal, and ledger size paper capabilities? Finishing, do you need stapling, booklet creating, hole punching? These are all things you may want to look at, which can set the budget for the new device. Looking at getting into a new multifunction printer, you have a couple different options. You can purchase it or you can lease it. Leasing makes sense for some organizations if they don't have a lot of upfront money to allocate to it, so it's a smaller payment. Perhaps you can get into a bigger device with more features at a smaller budget per month or per quarter. When you purchase it, obviously you own the piece of equipment, and it gives you flexibility to make changes if you want sooner than later. If you want to learn more about setting a budget, we have a video strictly on that, and you can check out the link below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe to see more future videos from Office Interiors.